In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cyberghost VPN for your LG Smart TV. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy, access geo-restricted content, or just enjoy a faster streaming experience, this step-by-step guide will help you get started in just a few minutes. First, let's get started by heading over to the Cyberghost VPN website. Simply open up your browser and navigate to their homepage. This is where you can access everything you need related to your VPN setup. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner and click on My Account. This is where you can log in to your existing Cyberghost account or create a new one if you haven't already done so. After clicking on My Account, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by following the simple registration process on the site. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cyberghost homepage. Here, you'll see various options and features provided by Cyberghost. What we want to do next is head over to the Download Hub. You can locate the Download Hub by looking for it in the menu. Click on the Download Hub to proceed. Upon entering the Download Hub, you'll notice different download options for various devices. What we're particularly interested in is setting this up for our LG Smart TV. So find and click on TV Apps. When you click on TV Apps, you'll see the option Cyberghost VPN for Android TV. Even though we are setting this up for an LG Smart TV, the Android TV version is often compatible and will work for our purposes. Click on this option. After you've clicked on the appropriate app version, you'll see a Connect button. Give that a click. This will enable the VPN connection for your TV. Following this, you'll need to configure Cyberghost for your particular setup. To do that, find the option Configure Cyberghost VPN for Android TV. Click on it, and follow any additional prompts to tailor the VPN to your viewing needs and preferences. And there you have it. Your LG Smart TV should now be set up with Cyberghost VPN, allowing for a more secure and unrestricted streaming experience. Make sure everything is working by trying to access content that was previously unavailable to you. If you face any issues or have specific inquiries, don't hesitate to check out Cyberghost's support resources or reach out to their customer service. Enjoy your newfound internet freedom and security right from the comfort of your living room. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, remember to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Hope to see you again soon.